This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. One thing that you need to do is you need to be protecting your hearing. And Pro 4 Sho, P-R-O-F-O-R-S-H-O, has got some 34 decibel sound reducing, isolating, whatever you want to call it. Basically, these are headphones, earmuffs, what have you, that are going to protect your hearing. They can be extended. They've got the wires here. They can extend out for different size heads and such. And once you've got it kind of set, you pull that down, and it totally encompasses the ear, and you're good to go. Now what's really kind of cool is that this pairs up really well with their safety glasses, which have the, let me get these under here because these are very tight headphones. Not uncomfortably tight, but they're definitely tight. So now I am protected, my vision is protected, and my hearing is protected, and I'm ready to go to work. I'm not having any discomfort. I'm getting a nice snug feel. It's totally encompassing my ear, and I've got kind of a large head. So if they can fit me, they'll be able to fit most all of you out there in our video world. But just something that's going to protect that hearing from lawnmowers or power tools or whatever you're doing where it gets a little loud, these are going to be great options for you. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check these out. But these are from Pro 4 Sho.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.